Hey guys, I'm Gabby and I'm so excited to show you how I get these beautiful Frizz-Free curls using IGK's Good Behavior collection. My hair is naturally thick and curly, so that's why these formulas are perfect for me. Now I'm gonna go in with Good Behavior's 4-in-1 spray. I love this product because it helps control my frizz and protects it from heat damage. The way I love to use this product is by spraying it all over my hair and detangling it to the ends. Now that I've prepped my hair, I'm gonna show you guys how I use the Class of 93. All I'm gonna do is shake the bottle a little bit and apply a little portion, rub it in between my hands. The best way to use this product is by pressing it in your hair and scrunching it all at the same time so you get better definition. Now that I applied Class of 93 evenly throughout my hair, I'm gonna start diffusing it. The reason why I'm gonna diffuse my hair is so I can get beautiful and defined curls. Now that I'm done diffusing my hair, I'm gonna go in with Crybaby Smoothing Serum. Crybaby was inspired by skincare technology, and it's a serum and oil formula that absorbs in my curls to eliminate frizz. It also softens, adds shine without weighing it down. The other thing that I love about this product is that it enhances the color in my hair, and I just love it. Here's my final look, guys, and I love the Good Behavior collection, and it keeps my hair looking beautiful and shiny.